somewhere that you don't know. Maybe you are inside the Neverwinter Forest.
Oh, why?
Well,
Oh, dear Elf-Father. I've never seen a dragon so close. What's in the actual house that...
I think maybe seeing horse in the midnight is not a good sign after all.
Oh no, shit.
You guys still alive, right? We are not getting, followed by the dragon. Nengok ke belakang dia, mastiin ada nggak yang suara-suara kepakan sayap gitu.
Enggak. You didn't hear or see any the dragon.
Axel just gonna habis lari capek gitu, maybe sit in the nearby tree gitu kayak, oh god, oh we're still alive, thank god.
Oh! Ah! Ah! If any of you want to kill the dragon, do you still have second thought?
Well,
Perhaps.
and you kill the dragon. That is the question.
Well, since we met, I've never wanted to kill the dragon. It never crosses my mind.
All of you roll me perception.
Sheesh.
Oh shit.
Penangkalnya di sebelah kita.
Jeng jeng jeng.
DM, sorry sebelumnya. Rage gue masih nyala nggak berarti?
Yeah, you are running with rage. Lari dengan amarah.
Nyampe dulu.
Lari dengan kekuatan alam. Ini karena gue lari dengan rage, gue bisa pakai ini.
Oh, sure.
Jadi perception gue dipakai make it as strength check.
Dengan marah.
Lu bayangin dia ngelihat sampai berurat, bro. Ini melotot dia ini.
Mataku punya otot mata.
Banteng itu.
Sure. Oh, with strength. What the fuck is
It makes
that?
no sense.
Why did Andy make this happen? I don't
Aneh
know.
banget sih. Perception.
Gue kayak kekuatan alam di dalam tubuhku membuatku menjadi aware dengan sekitar.
yang gue heran kenapa stealth check bisa jadi pakai strength coba? How? How?
Like how can you explain this at all? It makes no sense.
Yeah. Roll me and narasiin gimana?
That's a you
luck.
problem, mate.
Iya. Jadi kayak lagi lari terus bentar gue roll dulu.
Yes, sure.
Cek kan ya?
Yeah, describe me please.
Lagi lari terus dia dengan kekuatan alam yang udah dia panggil di dalam tubuhnya, dia kayak ngerasakan setiap langkahnya itu dia jadi kayak alam bisiki ke dia. There's a whisper behind around him to environment beside pokoknya di sekitarnya itu kayak bisikin ke dia gitu.
I see. Yeah, you are here whisper sound of kayak suara angin sepoi ke arah lo yang it's make you to see towards the wind blows gitu. But sadly with 5, you are in panic attack. You are in panic mode. You are running only to saving your life, not try to see kemanapun itu gitu. But now you are kayak merasa sudah jauh dan you are kayak taking breath inside a forest, near forest I can say. But we Elias, Ardil, but all of you, Ardin and Elias, because you are too tired running, you are just catching breath in this forest, near forest. But for you, Axel and Quirrell, you see behind you while you are running, lu bisa melihat si kayak semacam makhluk putih. You can assume that the dragons flying. It's not towards you, it's opposite of you running. He's going to the Sword Mountain. Dan lu bisa melihat di kakinya dan di mulutnya itu bawa kuda yang baru dia bunuh. But all of you, please roll me Constitution save.
Semuanya?
Yes.
All, everyone.
Oh. Oh dear God.
Alright, Elias and Quirrell, you not taking rest at all at this day, and you are encounter dragons, and you are running for saving your life. Now you are feel tired, Quirrell and Elias. You are really tired. You got exhaustion level 7.
Okay.
So
Next.
what you gonna do next then? Oh, yang kalian human masih ada ini inspiration.
Oh ya. Girl masih punya inspiration untuk
bentar.
mau dipakai.
Oh iya benar. Nggak tahu kalau LS punya nggak? Ada dong. Yang masih ada masih bisa dipakai.
Kayaknya kemarin udah sempet gue pakai kan.
Iya. I assume juga waktu battling with this orc gitu sebelumnya.
Gue udah sempet gue pakai kok. Jadi kan belum reveal lagi kan.
Belum long rest juga. So yeah, all of you, what you want to do?
Setelah lari si Ardin dia marah gitu. Fuck, ada naga. Kenapa tiba-tiba ada naga? Dia bertanya ke teman lainnya. Naga itu yang meneror Pandalin selama ini.
Bisa dibilang demikian. I mean, kau lihat buktinya orang-orang Pandalin pada pergi dari kota ketakutan, bukan? Itulah makhluk yang menjadi penyebabnya. Walau dari atas terlihat kecil, dari dekat menyeramkan juga rupanya.
Ya, aku tidak menyangka
Setelah-
naga itu besar itu. Iya.
Setelah mendengar itu si Ardin dia makin marah. Aku sudah berjanji pada diri aku tidak akan lari-lari dari masalah. Tapi naganya terlalu besar.
It's not even a problem. It's a death itself gitu kayak.
Iya.
Even you are running for your life gitu.
Dia depresi gitu, marah. Kalian bisa lihat wajahnya marah. He have no idea about gimana lagi karena kepalang marah. Dia memutuskan untuk what can I say, menyerang pohon yang ada di sekitar gitu, melampiaskan amarahnya gitu.
Sure.
Jadi barbarian dong dia.
Dia
Multi-class barbarian.
Let's go. Well, that's one way to channel your emotion. I can understand the way you're feeling, Ardin. Terus dia kayak ngelirik ke Quirrell sama Elias kayak, yeah, I think this is like me previously but different situation. Just like gesturing the face of it.
Yeah, I guess everyone have issues here. I guess need to seek help.
not again. I never run from the problem again. Then setelah dibilang gitu, I promise I will come back to defeat that fucking dragon after I get stronger.
That's quite a motivation. I will support you, my friend. But yeah. Kayak sabar.
Don't make a promise that you cannot keep.
we can like see it on the other perspective. Like you're not running away. Like invest your strength for the future meetup. I would say. I mean, the dragon is eating, right? Like like fighting enemy while eating is not an honor fight. And so you are not in your full, capability. Like the dragon must not want to fight enemy that are not in the full strength. So you're not running away. You just postpone your fight when you are both of you, strong enough. Yeah. Basically, I try to encourage him.
Yeah, but we're not running. We're just looking for a better timing, bro.
Yeah, that's right.
Oke, dan setelah dibujuk itu, oke, betul. Dia agak maybe the anger is calm down or Mas Aero, but no. Maybe the calm down. Oke, apa yang kalian bilang? Maybe true, maybe benar, and I will keep aku akan mencoba untuk get stronger to come back to defeat that fucking dragons. But how about the horse? Because I saw the horse have a saddle. You guys confirm there's no mayat or something?
Well, unfortunately, the horse is dead. Or at least they are dead. We can safely assume.
Yeah, the dragon bowed them toward the mountain, the Sword Coast Mountain. Maybe toward its lair for snack or food. But I didn't see any humanoid corpse or anything that resembled a human being there. I assume the rider must be still safe or not, whatever outside here. At least that is what we know for now.
Well, are we going to rest? Like with that encounter, I don't think my heart can endure another meeting with a dragon. Can we rest at least? Or are we going to just push through the better range? Fuck. Better school range.
Well, I mean, we are in. Where are we right now? In the Neverwinter Wood, right? We can go back to Pendolin if we want to, decide to go back. I'm not quite good with decision. Maybe in this time situation, maybe you had a better idea. Well, any of you are adventurer, right? Much more experience in a tense situation, I will say.
So what say all of you? Do you want to push through, or at least stay this very night?
Aduh man, I still gimana bilangnya, dia masih kayak ragu-ragu, gak tahu mau ngapain, kayak hidupnya udah gagal 2 kali.
Oh no.
Jadi so if kalian mengajaknya strict terus oke, kalau istirahat sih oke. Bisa dibilang si Ardin dia not working today.
Not working.
Tadi not working. Well, after meeting the dragon, I believe our energy is depleted for running. Then seems like it's night, and in the forest. Maybe we pick our camp here and rest and up come our emotion, come our tension again, and
Yeah,
we
that's a good idea.
continue again after that.
Well,
That's a good idea. We should just find a safer place to build our camp.
Sure.
I'm gonna gather some firewood then. Try to find a good spot for us. And yeah, we make fire
Oh.
I assume. Here.
Sure, you are try to rest in this place, right? I assume.
Yes.
Long rest, short rest, which one?
Long rest, I guess.
Sure. All of you try to find a gathering some fire wood. I can assume. Dan ya kalian mencoba build camp here. Kayak kalian ngebuat si apa ya namanya fireplace in the middle dan apa ya you are sleep around it so you doesn't get cold. So who's want to watch for tonight?
I'm gonna take watch. Why not, yeah?
Sure.
I think Kirill will take the last watch.
Alright, so both of you like you are kayak ngobrol sebentar dan akhirnya kalian semua beristirahat while Axel taking the first watch. Roll me perception.
Okay. Perception indeed. Yo, what the hell?
Oh, it's mau Ardin atau pengen si Quirrell? Who wants?
I think Quirrell should karena
Atau
dia
bisa
ada-
jadi 3.
Kenapa?
Atau ya bisa 3 shift kalau kalian mau.
Oh, 3 shift boleh. Biar lebih lama
I think-
tidurnya.
I think Quirrell, you should rest. Like you just got exhaustion point.
That's true.
Well, yeah, but I can take the final watch. I'm an elf after all.
That makes sense.
Oh yeah, that makes sense. You don't need that much sleep.
22.
Yeah.
Alright, with 22 perception. You only you did apa ya strange thing inside this forest. Lu cuma melihat kayak beberapa serangga yang lewat dan juga kayak apa ya makhluk-makhluk malam, hewan-hewan malam aja yang kayak like a fox looking toward you apa di dalam gelap dan dia pergi lagi, kurang lebih kayak gitu. And the second watch would be Ardin. Now you are awake while Axel ngebangunin lu dan sekarang giliran lu untuk berjaga. Ardin, roll me perception.
Saat berjaga melihat teman-temannya lain yang sudah tidur, dia instead of masih memikirkan hal itu, but instead of berjaga dia juga sembari bisa not doing something, but mencoba mainkan pedangnya gitu, to get stronger lah apapun itu. Dan gua roll perception, I don't know DM, karena hal itu maybe I got disadvantage or what.
You are awake not watching but you learning your weapon.
Iya, kayak mengainkan pedang gitu, kayak di anime yang
Oh, yang muter-muterin pedang lah ya.
iya.
Yeah, if you want to that, yeah, roll me with disadvantage.
Yeah. I'm sorry guys, but berkarakter do that.
It's okay, no worries.
It's all good. Do what you need to do, my friend.
Oh
my God.
Natural one. Alright, with natural one. You are swinging your sword. You didn't even try to noticing as surrounded you. what you only think that you failed or anything, and suddenly strike in your head like a dream, the same dream. You are suddenly kayak tahu gak sih tiba-tiba selewat lu mikirin mimpi lu lagi. Like it's the reason is you. You are keep thinking that it's your hand and remembering back again to your past. You are running away from this thing. You got. Wait, hold a second. Kok 7? Ya, never mind lah. You got 4 psychic damage.
Yes.
You sworn to yourself, to the god itself, that you're not gonna running away. But again, it is still the same. You are running from your problem. And suddenly, it's time to third watch. You're awake, Quirrell, and you try to sleep. Like, kayak kepala lu makin masih sakit gitu, dan you think that you need to sleep, dan lu bangunin Quirrell, lu tidur, and Quirrell, you are awake from the sekarang last watch. Roll me perception.
Karena udah, I assume karena udah long rest jadi nggak dapat exhaustion.
It's not a long. Ini masih belum long rest.
Oh shit, so masih exhaustion. Alright.
Tapi bentar, lu elf ya? Iya ya, assume udah lah.
Yes. Fuck, ya udah 10 berarti.
Ya, 10 tambah 2 apa enggak?
Enggak 10.
Enggak, 10 aja. 10. You're looking to your surrounded, the environment, everything. Dan ya yang lu lihat nothing much, but the night, the moon it's so beautiful. That's it. And all of you now awake. Masih dalam keadaan gelap, matahari belum muncul. So what you gonna do, guys?
Now we get benefit of long rest.
Yeah, all of you get benefit of long rest.
Let's go.
Nice.
Ooh.
How's everyone sleeping?
Well,
That's the best
Well,
sleep I've ever had.
tonight was interesting to say the least.
Well,
Yeah,
sure did.
sleeping with nature always refreshing, right? It's good.
Kepikiran. Yeah, one way to say it, tell us. How about you, Elias, Ardin? The both of you also recover?
Yeah, I think so. That's the best sleep I've ever had for a while.
Glad to hear it.
And how about you, Arjun? Like, I don't know, your condition seems, do you have something in your mind?
Si Ardin dia gue bingung gimana cara balikin karakter gue ya.
Anjir.
Gini. Saat setelah bangun gitu si Ardin dia try to pray to their gods to menyampaikan keluh kesahnya, dan dia telah melalaikan janjinya dan dia kembali gagal lagi. But dia minta untuk kesempatan ketiga, something like that gitu deh.
Sure. Bro, don't need to roll. You are apa ya? Kayak berdoa and to who you to pray.
Oh shit, that's quite interesting juga. Aduh.
Or you are like kontemplasi dengan diri lu sendiri, like why still running away? Am I not strong enough? But for the moment, you know what's actually happened in yourself. you're still not strong enough. And back of your head, you always think, I need to be strong, I need to be strong, I need to be strong.
Oke, well, maybe setelah bermeditasi or doing that, si Erdan know the answer. That's true. I need to be strong.
Ardi bukan Erdan, Erdan di campaign sebelumnya.
Karakter lain. Mabet.
11 ya.
Kelupaan udah.
itu campaign mau gue sama dia.
Lupa. Ardin, that's true. I need to be strong. But dan ditanya dan setelah merenung gitu menemukan jawabannya dan ditanya siapa tadi? Klaus? Or I'm sorry, gue tadi agak lupa.
Elias.
Elias. The rest is the rest. Istirahat. I have enough. But thank you for perhatianmu, for asking kondisiku gimana. But I'm fine today, and I have the answer. I need to be strong.
Okay, that's good to hear. So what next? Let's just march the Butter School or what?
If the butter school can make me the butter school, yeah, can make me strong. I'm in.
One way to say it, yeah.
Well, yeah, maybe you'll find
Yeah.
from this quest. It will make you stronger. Yeah, it will technically make you stronger.
I mean, saving that person, or well, we're gonna maybe, let's just be realistic. We might fighting some orc possibilities, and yeah, maybe you're gonna fight those and getting stronger. But despite that, maybe saving the sheriff or what is the name again of the person that we are trying to find? The quest.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Saving the person in the range might be give you a bit of resolve, I would say. They will thankful to you, giving you reward, and maybe can cheer up your mood, kind of like cheering up your mood. Yeah, that's the word. Although we might need to fight some orc, and yeah, combat might be not avoidable.
Okay.
Yeah, that's
I'm in because with pengalaman, I think that's will get make me stronger. So yeah.
Mhm.
So kita ke butter school range.
Butter range.
Okay.
Oh, and you know what? Since we're gonna fighting a kinda like one of my kind, but they are not my family. Well, they're my kind regardless. Orc are tend to we are a natural sprinter, so be careful. Like they may be gonna fight dirty, like dashing toward you, kinda like that. Just try to maybe we maintain our position. That's what I said. Alright, that's all from me. Shall we go?
Are you sure you're okay with that, Axel?
After what happened before, consequence of their action. If they want to fight, we give them fight. But if there is any orc that surrender, maybe let him live or let them live if they are surrender, but not that kind of fake surrender and then stabbing you from behind, not that kind of one. People are tend to be cunning, deceiving. I have seen a lot of bad people, but yeah, kind of like that. I will say I will trust your instinct if you guys facing them, I will trust whatever decision you guys made. That's all.
Well, if that's your judgment, perhaps, well, let's see. I don't want to say too early for what would happen later.
Sure. Well, let's all see it first what we are going to find.
Yeah,
Onward.
let's go. Let's
All
go.
Let's go.
You
Yeah.
are walking back to the place where you see these 3 horses backtrack again. Well, you see it's only bekas darah yang masih terlihat segar, I can say, dan beberapa potongan daging dan tulang. But you pass that because it's horror for you to remember there's a dragons in front of you. You are keep walking toward Tribor Trail menuju Butterskull Ranch. But after like through to a 1 mile, 1 atau 1,5 miles dari tempat lu tadi beristirahat, you see a cow.
A cow?
Yes, you see cows. Cow. Apa ya cow itu? Sapi.
Sapi.
Ya, lu melihat sapi. Bentar, mana ya? Kalian melihat sapi.
We know what the cows look like.
Yeah, that cow looks like a cow.
This floor is made of floors.
Yes.
Ya, ini kayak kurang lebih 5 dari lu. Dan si kaus ini lagi beristirahat aja gitu, tengger di samping jalan.
I'm gonna Axel try to look up the M. Is there like any, dragon nearby?
I don't know.
Probably perception.
Oh shit.
Dan tadi siapa yang di depan?
Girl?
Oh iya, never mind. 19, you didn't see any, but si langit yang tadinya malam sudah mulai terlihat agak membiru,
I think
menandakan cahaya sudah mulai
pagi.
terang.
Ya.
Ya udah kayak mata sudah mulai terbit.
Axel kayak garuk-garuk leher gitu, kayak itching gitu dia, kayak I think it's safe now. We can get closer toward the cow. I didn't see those. Well, that dragon flying nearby, maybe asleep right now after eating, kekenyangan.
I think so. Let's just try to look at the cow. Let's see if this one got that. What's the word again? The letter BAK. Let's see if this cow is his property.
Oh, sure, let's go then.
You try to get close to this cow. And the cow is awake. He looks towards you. Yang tadinya duduk, dia mulai berdiri ngeliat ke arah kalian. And if you want to see, there's a word BAK, roll me perception.
Semuanya?
If you want, ya all of you.
Right.
Do I roll again?
Ya,
Fuck it. Even better.
makin bagus.
Okay, perception
Ooh.
rank is better.
1, 2, 3, 4, satu lagi siapa? Quiro. Iya, all of you roll good. Ya, kalian mendekati si sapi ini dan mendapati bahwa si sapi ini tuh pakai kayak kalung lonceng sapi tuh kayak kelenceng gitu.
Oh,
Ketika dia bangun tuh ada bunyi itu, dan waktu kalian coba mendekat juga kalian bisa ngeliat kayak apa ya? Bukan tato hewan, tau gak sih yang ditandain gitu?
yang make kayak
Oh, pakai
zaman
besi
dulu
panas
itu ya?
Iya, besi panas itu ya di
mark.
kakinya, atas kakinya ada di marking, ada tulisan BAK yang nandain ya Big Al Calzor, ya itulah.
I think we are in the correct path, fellas.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think so.
Hmm,
We
right.
take this cow. Like, I mean, should we return this to him? Like, what is he doing here alone?
Perhaps I can ask him.
Right.
Yeah, or you can try.
Yeah, I may certainly try. Can I, DM?
Sure, if you want. What you want to do?
Uh, jadi girl maju, bukan maju sih, ya maju ke kepalanya, gang pelan-pelan, and I will cast Secret Animals.
And the cow look up to the sky, guys.
Oh dear God, why?
Enggak. And you try to get close to these animals. Roll me survival. No, animal handling.
Handling.
Oh, you had one
Oh my-
job, Quirrell.
You had one job.
You kayak apa ya, merentak tangan lu untuk biar si sapi ini ngendus ke arah lu, but he feel scared. Dan dia berdiri. Oh no, kata si sapi itu running away, go inside the bushes and gone. He's just say like, oh no.
Oh, I did actually hear the cow.
Yes, he say like, oh no. Terus masuk ke bushes and leave and gone.
Oh, Carol mau nyoba kayak ngejar, ya ngejar sih, and dia kayak teriak, it's okay. We're not here to do anything for you. In fact, we're trying to help you. Where are you?
Oh, they gonna kill me. Oh no. And he's just going inside more into the bushes.
It's okay. We're going to protect you. Who's going to kill you?
There's no answer. He's just keep running. Cengkleng. Dan suara si loncengnya jauh.
Oh, well, fuck. Well, at least I tried.
At least you try.
Yeah,
At least I
you
tried.
try to talk to him, her, it.
Not sure. From the sound of it, I think it's a male.
Ah, him then, yeah. They say something, anything that I don't know might be useful for us.
He's terribly scared. What he's scared of, I do not know.
Ah,
But I did actually hear him say they, I think. So I guess a group tried to kill this cow.
and that group is possibly that we will encounter sooner or later.
Perhaps. Perchance.
Perchance. Yep.
Well, we got our clue, yeah. Proceed.
Yeah.
Let's proceed.
Correct.
Let's go.
Onward.
Alright, you are moving forward to the Butterskull Ranch. Not far from where you meet this cow. Only 1 mile away. You see peternakan Butterskull Ranch. Kayak menempati sebidang tanah yang luas di sisi utara jalur Tribord Trail. Jadi setelah kalian di jalur Tribord Trail, kalian bisa melihat ada pelang Butterskull Ranch ke arah utara dan kalian mengikuti karena nggak jauh juga dari sana, hanya beberapa meter. Kalian melihat si peternakan ini gitu. Dan si peternakan ini itu terletak di antara 2 bukit. Dan di balik pagar kayu yang lumayan udah agak reot, terdapat sebuah ladang jagung, kebun apel, kebun sayur, dan juga ada sebuah jalan kecil bercabang di jalur. Dan di situ kalian melihat a two-story farmhouse next to a pond di sebelah barat. From this house, di sebelah barat of this house, kalian melihat sisa-sisa lumbung. Lumbung tuh apa ya?
Barn.
Barn yang udah hangus, dan juga like a smithy yang udah kebakar habis. I'm a jump to the where's the map here? Oh, the horse is me.
Masih tentu udah.
America.
America.
Yeah.
No. Ignore the America, ignore the bar, and ignore the apa itu namanya? Ya.
DM, jadi Quirrell mau ke perahunya dan ngambil SG 553.
No shit, no.
We going to give
Nah.
democration. Let's go.
Anyway, let's not that map, this map aja deh. There you go.
No freedom.
Ya, that what you see. Lu melihat a Butterschool Ranch yang lumayan cukup besar di situ, dan kalian bisa melihat ladang jagung, kebun apel, there's a garden, dan juga kayak rumah ilalang di situ.
The map.
Dan kalian juga dan kalian melihat si farmhouse di sebelah pond, dan di arah barat itu kalian bisa melihat kayak barn yang sudah hancur, dan juga si smithy yang sudah terbakar habis.
Gotcha.
Oke. Posisi kita di mana dia?
Posisi kalian tuh ada dari sini.
Question DM. It's still fog of war.
Oh, it's still fog of war.
Yes. Still dark in our perspective. All of it.
All of it?
Iya, betul. Iya. Gue hitam juga.
Di gua terang.
Dulu terang semua.
Yeah, it's basically dark or white, depend on our mode basically. Tapi mapnya nggak
Gue dapet
kelihatan gitu.
Iya, pokoknya mapnya nggak kelihatan.
Alright, let's see. Hup. There you go. Kelihatan nggak?
What the hell?
Oh no, it's still.
Yeah, it's still.
Saya reload.
Should we reload?
Wait. Ah, usah.
Oh, di regator apa itu?
Kabel kayaknya.
Bentar ya. Let me.
Gue udah dapat vision mapnya kok.
Wait, what?
Ya, gua juga udah nih.
Hah, udah.
Oke,
Dia masih
gue
udah.
coba reload deh kalau gitu.
Kalian bisa ngeliat ini kan?
Dynamic lightning kah?
Oh, nggak ada dynamic lighting.
I mean if you see my
It's you see all of it, right?
Nah, finally. Udah.
Oh, there you go. Oke.
Kelihatan semua nggak?
Udah. I think I need to reload ya. Kayaknya beberapa orang harus reload ya.
Oh iya, udah keluar mapnya. Oh, ada counternya dong, keren banget mapnya.
Ada counter.
Kontur ketinggian.
Oh, counter.
Counter tomografinya.
Kaget udah counter apa tuh?
Counter strike.
Very good.
Ya kurang lebih itu yang kalian lihat. So you didn't see anything else, but I want the front of the marching order. Roll me perception. It's supposed to be you, Quirrell.
Hold on. Kenapa Quirrell harus perception?
Roll me
Perception.
perception. Karena you are in front of marching order.
Right.
Do they sell butter in the shape of school? Ada sebenarnya namanya butter school.
Ya, itu yang dijelasin di awal.
Oh, she's okay.
23. You are using guidance?
I do using guidance.
You are screaming guidance. No. Kayak dia Baldur's Gate anjing nih, nge-spell guidance-nya teriak aja. With 24 from that you're standing, you not see clearly actually inside the cornfield, but you see a movement. Sometimes look like a group, sometimes it's just alone, or sometimes just nothing.
Oh, do I
But
know
you-
what
Mhm.
say? Tadi bilang apa? Movement?
Iya, ada di cornfield itu ada kayak pergerakan gitu. Kadang kayak terlihat banyak, kadang terlihat. Tau gak sih kayak kalau lu melihat atas jagungnya itu kayak gerak gitu, tau gak sih? Kayak ada yang nabrak
Oh,
jagungnya dan si jagungnya itu terlihat gerak dan but you doesn't know it's what actually inside the field. But you believe big owl houses is beside the pond, kayak sebelah sama si pond ini. So it's supposed to be in the farmhouse.
right. Oh well, I assume because I didn't see anyone clearly. Kurel kayak ngangkat tangan kanannya gitu, kayak ngepalin apa ya? Kayak nyuruh stop lah. Kalau
Stop,
kalau
stop.
tentara gitu dan
Hmm.
nyuruh kalian semua buat kayak crouching.
I will crouch.
And I think
Okay.
there's something over there.
Oh, what something?
Some kind of movement, but I can't clearly see anything from here.
Where? How many?
I don't know. Just about farmhouse.
Well, normally, if people have like a cornfield or a ranch, they will welcome us or maybe guarding in the nearby fence. But where do you see the movement again?
Just about the farmhouse near the ponds, but it's kind of hard to see from here. I suggest we stealthily approach it from the cornfields
Yeah.
to clearly see better.
Oh,
Hmm,
well, that's
So you suggest we go through the cornfield or around the cornfield?
I think just through the cornfield, it gives us a better cover.
well,
Except
If we go through the cornfield, does that mean we have disadvantage on the view? Yeah. If there's someone who sees us, they have disadvantage too.
so both of
Yeah,
us had
that's
this
good.
advantage. That's true. But we have you're all right.
Yeah, I can summon him.
Oh iya, punya drone.
We
We can
have
scout.
Drone.
eye in the sky.
Punya drone.
Well, let's just say we sneak as a group. Well, the eagle can be our eyes in the sky, pointing us where we should avoid. If we meet something encounter basically we kind of I don't want to say. Just imagine we are a thief that want to steal a corn in the cornfield. Yeah, kind of like that. I'm not a thief. I'm just saying.
I suggest.
Yeah, I think that's
Yeah,
we
I
go sort of that one. Like we can send my drone, I mean my owl, to scout the area, and we can try to hide in the cornfield, like try to stick our way in.
When you do your thing though, Elias, right? Yang punya alangnya kan Elias kan?
Yeah.
I'm not quite expert in magic, but I do see some pattern from the tavern, datang dan pergi. When you do that thing, seeing from your magical, do you need to focus you seems like cannot see from your nearby body, you know?
Yeah, but I can switch it at my will, so I can switch between my owl's eye and my own eye. So when I'm looking through my owl, I need to rely on you to guide me.
Okay, well, that is what I want to ask, but okay, we can do that, yeah. Just maybe hold a hand toward, I don't know, one of us, and we can, walk while you are seeing with your magic owl.
Sure. Maybe we can make a formation like maybe I will just stay in the middle of you so I don't get left behind or walk on my own. I'll just in this formation I'll just stay in the middle.
That's good. I maybe gonna help in the nearby 5 feet with you. That's all.
Then that mean we'll make a circle.
Yeah, that's true. That may be a good one.
Oh, that seems fun. Let's do it.
Alrighty, all of you come with a plan to circling your friends, so to keep it together while the owl scouting above on the sky. All of you are going inside the field, cornfield. Go to the farmhouse, kayak apa ya, kalian sneakily masuk ke cornfield while the owl scouting in the sky. And the scene is slowly moving backward, ngeliatin kalian berjalan di tengah-tengah cornfield. Yang di sekitarnya juga there's a lot of movement around you. And you are just si scene-nya itu ngeliatin kalian berjalan menuju farmhouse well. Kayak di another area cornfield juga banyak movement. So we're gonna end our session tonight.
Oh,
no.
Thank you so much guys. Pas banget
Damn.
2. Yeah, thank you so much guys. Now you are at the Butterschool Ranch. Gue bisa asumsikan ini kayak baru muncul hari. Jadi so yeah. Next we're going to continue our adventure in the Butterschool Ranch.
Oh hell yeah.
Thank you so
yeah,
much
the-
for a long of role play, no fight.